Alright guys, just a quick update. This is a little review too on the Smittybilt XRC mod front bumper. This is a modular bumper. They make XRC mod bumpers for the Wranglers and the Cherokees. And the Wranglers have more options. They got end cap options, mid-width and full-width end caps, bull bar, and a bigger bar. I forget what they're called, like stinger bar. This one, the only mod you can really put on, as you can see these holes here, is for a bull bar, like a grill bar. I plan to put that on. It's like $100 extra. The bumper itself is $399 as is shown here. And then I got the Quadratec Q9000 9,000-pound winch on there. One last thing I want to do is it's bolted on there sturdy as it should, how it comes stock. But I'm probably going to put on some weld on some extra metal steel pieces to hold that bumper on really strong. I would hate to have it like rip off when I use the winch. But it's on there how it's supposed to be on there. The guy at the shop just said you might want to add some extra support because XJs don't have the strongest front bumper support, supposedly. So I'm going to look into that, but we got the bumper and winch on. Next step is the Skyjacker 3-inch lift. Stronger upgraded tie rods, and then we'll keep going from there. So that's it now, and we'll keep updating you guys as we keep putting things on. So see you guys later.